So welcome to this channel. I'm Tech with Pro, and I'm into tech in general. Yeah. Then I wanted to show you how to customize your Chrome. That's your homepage of the browser you are using, Chrome browser to be specific. So we have a lot of themes there you can choose from: light blue, deep blue, whatever, wine, whatever. So we can also change the image of the background. This one is a solid color, but you can change the image to maybe a house, a car, whatsoever, based on your your preference. Then you are good to go. Yeah. So yeah, it's really fun to do. Yeah. So maybe in your free moments, and you don't want to be gallivanting around, you can just do this. Then check the appearance. I think the ladies will like the pink, the magenta, the health of sauce, and the guy to like those dark themes. Yeah, a lot of sauce. So you can choose the one of your choice, and you are good to go. Yeah. So you can like, share, comment, then even engage on this video and expect more videos to come your way. Yeah, I'm Tech with Pro.